Hello friends, in this video I will explain about Laravel Resources Controller. So let's start. In Laravel documentation you can find this in the basics and controllers. Here in Resources Controller, and to create a resource controller we have to add resource tag along with uh, make controller command. So here I have created a new project in which we have a user model and we have name, email, phone and password. Okay, so let's create a resources controller for users. Okay, so change it to user controller resources. Okay, and press enter. So it's created now. um, Here in this controller, as we can see, we already have some functions are there like index, create, store, so edit, update and destroy. So let's open the documentation again, and as you can see we have actions and routes here. So these actions index, create, store, show, edit, update and destroy, we can see this in this controller. Okay. So to access this what we have to do, we only need to add this route, we see this single route, and with this route we can access all of these these functions. So photos.index access photos.index will access index function, and same this create, store, show, edit, all will be this they all will access these predefined functions. Okay, so I will create an example and show you how it will work. But before that, let's take a demo in a project which I have already created. This is my project, and here you can see this is the index page in which we have a table. Okay, so in this sidebar subadmin, here we have user.index. So on click this we have index list. Okay, so now on this button we have create this user.create route. So on click this it will open this. Okay, on save it will call this function, this user.store. This route will be called on click save button. Okay, then we have edit and delete button here. This will call destroy function. So destroy, and this edit will call this edit function. Similarly, that so button will call this so route. So let's make an example. We have uh, user controller here. So in first let's run this application. Okay, so first what we will do, add route here. Add route, and see we have to add this. So we will add route resources. In our case, it will be user. Okay, and we have user controller. So we have user controller. So now I will add this index page. Okay, so welcome page, I removed all the basic things and I added go to index page here. We will link this to user route, user index. Okay, so route user index. Let's open project. Now we have go to index page and on click this we will go to user index. Okay, it's blank because we don't have anything. So here in index we will return user user index page. Okay, user dot index. This you can see here I have created user folder and here we have index page. So this page will be so let's refresh this page. So now we have this index page. Okay, so now what we will do, we will add user function. Okay, so on add button, so on add button we will add route user dot on view user dot add plate. Okay, press this page and click on add user. We have add plate. Okay, in add plate we have a form, then we have token, a submit button, and I included user dot form. Form is this text, email, number, password for name, email, phone, and password. Okay, so let's add action route user dot store. Okay, this is done. So let's refresh this page and on submit what we will do, we will dump all data. Request, okay, so enter your name and submit. So we have all data here. We only need this data, not token. So what we will do, we will take all data except token. Okay, and we will add model name here. Use app model and then user. We will create a user data and redirect route to user dot index. Okay, and also what we will do, we will pass all users in index page. Get all and pass them to index page. Okay, so submit this. So data is added. Now we will print that added user in the list here. Okay, so go to index, add here, add for each just add user. Refresh this. Now we have added data here. Okay, so now we will edit this. Okay, so to do that we have to add edit route here. So it will be route user dot edit. You can see in the documentation for edit we have to pass ID also. Okay, so we will add user ID here. Okay, so on edit it will call this function, this edit. What we will do, we will take user data and we will return to view user dot edit page with user data. Okay, so save it and let's refresh this page. Now on click edit we have this data. Okay, go back, click on this edit, so we have this user data. Have to add route here, route user dot update. We have to pass id, but as you can see we have putter patch method here. So to do that, add a input, then name will be method and its value will be okay. Refresh this page, update data and submit. Here in update, what we will do, we will first print all incoming data. Okay, so request, so refresh this, and we have all the data along with method and token. We don't need this too, so we will eliminate this. Our data is equal to request accept token and method, and then we will update user data. And then we will redirect back to user.index. Okay, so let's resubmit this form and data is updated. Okay, now we will check this. So yeah, we have used this index, get this store, edit, update. Now we will see for this show out. Okay, so show out, what we will do, we will get user and return user dot show blade with user data. Okay, so now open index page and in so add route for this, pass user id and add route here, user dot show. Okay, think it's done. So refresh this page and on click require parameter, before mistake. Now refresh this page, click on the view user shown. Okay, okay, this should be Okay, let's refresh this, and we have user data here. Okay, so go back, click on this, so we have this user data here. Okay, it is so also done. Now we will see how to use this destroy function. What we will do, we will find the user and delete it. Then redirect to next page. Okay, but in next page, as you can see here, we have to use delete method for this, and also we have to pass id along with this. So what we will do, we'll add a form here. Then will be route user dot destroy, and then we need user id. Okay, now what we have to do, we have add method. So to add method, add a hidden input with the name method, and its value will be delete. Don't forget to add token. Okay, so refresh this page. Now click on delete. So data is deleted. Now again add. Okay, so by using this, you can do all these operations with a single route. So it will be useful in this case. Suppose you have admin panel where you have to list all data. Okay, so for each module you have to add 6 to 7 routes. How many routes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 routes. So for each module you have to add 7 routes, but using resources you can do it efficiently, and your web dot in your web.php routes will be very less. Single will do work of 7 routes.